Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious toffee. First, let's gather our ingredients and equipment. You'll need 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of water, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For tools, grab a heavy-bottomed saucepan, a reliable candy thermometer, and a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's cook our toffee base to perfection. In your saucepan, combine the butter, sugar, and water. Stir continuously over medium heat until the sugar fully dissolves and the mixture begins to boil. Once boiling, insert your candy thermometer and continue cooking without stirring until it reaches exactly 300 degrees F or 149 degrees Celsius. Promptly remove it from the heat and carefully stir in the vanilla extract. With the toffee base ready, it's time for the delicious toppings. Quickly pour the hot toffee onto your prepared baking sheet. Use an offset spatula to spread it into an even, thin layer. Immediately sprinkle about 1 cup of chocolate chips over the hot toffee. The residual heat will melt them. Then, evenly distribute about 1/2 cup of your favorite chopped nuts, like almonds or pecans, for extra crunch and flavor. Finally, let's cool and break our homemade toffee. Allow the toffee to cool completely at room temperature for at least 1 hour, or you can chill it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to speed up the process. Once it's completely firm and brittle, use a sturdy knife or a small mallet to break it into irregular, bite-sized pieces. Store your delicious toffee in an airtight container, and it will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.